Hey everybody, it's Brian House here for Housework. I wanted to do a real quick Sportster update for you. Last night I had some time. I started messing around with the tank. I realized I wanted to sit high up on the backbone, and in order to do that, I need to fabricate some stuff to make that work, plus weld onto the tank. It's full of fuel, was full of fuel at one time, so it is a bomb and I needed to clean it out. So into the hot water and soap bath. It's soaking for about 20 hours. Then I dumped it all out, and it was a good thing I did that because it was full of rust. The petcock and the strainer were all full of rust. It was kind of gross. So it needed that anyway, and I'll probably finish it off with some sort of alcohol solution just to release all the extra moisture that's in there. I did set it up with a small little USB fan over there, and it's blowing air through to kind of circulate things. So I think that'll dry it out pretty well. Also, I installed the steering neck bearing races. That was actually pretty easy. I keep them in the freezer beforehand so they're nice and small, and they went in kind of tight, but you do need to bottom those things out, so it's a little bit of a task to do that. If you don't bottom them out, you won't be able to use your bike lock. It'll kind of run into it. So I was actually filming something else, and I realized, hey, I don't think I seated that bearing quite right. So I went back and redid it, and now it's working perfectly. So I have a nice stiff steering situation going on there. This is really just a dry fit. I am going to put the bike all together and tear it all back down so I can get a design aspect of it done and then paint the frame and all that. Also got a chance to reinstall the primary cover. This is just a dry fit because I'm gonna have to pull it all apart to install the clutch cable anyhow. If you're new to my channel, you should know that I am in the middle of an extensive rebuild on this 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. It's a XLH 1200. If you click that subscribe button, you will be able to follow along with me in that process. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And all the tools and things that I've used in any of my videos, there's a link down in the description. If you click through that link, it's categorized all down into tools and supplies and parts and all that stuff. And if you buy something through there, it helps support my channel. So if you could do that, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, my name is Brian House, and this is Housework.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at house__work. That's 2 underscores between those words. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave us a like.